Hello friends, today's topic markets headed which direction? I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. The last week was good for Indian markets. It recorded the biggest weekly gain since June 2024. FIIs have recently become net buyers again in Indian markets. FIIs invested around 24,454 crore in the first week of December. The coming few weeks will be interesting since there has been a 10% fall in our markets and then 5 to 6% recovery so far. There is hope for revival in the government capital expenditure the remaining few months of financial year 2024-25. Inflation is expected to reduce in the coming quarters and hence RBI's rate cut decision will be crucial for markets. Since the last 4 to 5 months, Nifty has traded between 23,200 and 26,200. The Nifty is expected to continue to trade in the same range for some more months. Following are some of the factors which will influence our stock market this week. Number 1, India's industrial production and inflation. The inflation in industrial and manufacturing production numbers for October will be announced on December 12. Also, the bank loan and deposit growth for 15 to 29 November period will be announced on December 30. Second factor, US inflation. Global investors will be keenly waiting to see the inflation data for November from the US. The Federal Reserve meeting is scheduled on December 17-18, wherein the US Central Bank is likely to announce 0.25% rate cut in addition to 0.75% cut already done in the previous two meetings. According to economists, inflation is likely to be around 2.6% figure reported in October. Third factor, FIIs buying and selling. After being net sellers in October and November 2024, when FIIs sold more than 1 lakh crores worth of shares, FIIs have suddenly become net buyers in December first week. The reason for the market rally last week can be partially attributed to FIIs buying. So further market movement is dependent on decision taken by FIIs in the coming week. Fourth factor, Nifty support and resistance. As per analysts, Nifty index continued higher highs and higher lows formation for second straight week, which is a positive sign. Now the Nifty needs to surpass the 24,700, 24,800 zone for further upward journey towards 25,000, 25,200 levels. While the immediate support is at 24,500 and by 24,350. Number 5, India VIX. The volatility index fell for the second consecutive week. It's around 14.14 currently. The India VIX is called the fear index. As long as it is low and stays low, the market has the scope to continue the uptrend this week. So based on the above factors and any other unexpected announcements, Indian markets will move the next week. At the end of the video, here is a question. When do you think a new lifetime high will be touched by Nifty? A. Within 3 months. B. 3 to 6 months. C. More than 6 months. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye and all the best.